I didn't realize it came out this light. I had my eyes shut and I'm like, look down.
Alright, we're at Waikīkī Beach. That's too funny. It was right as me when I first came here. But we're about to go snorkeling, so we'll see if the water's clear enough and maybe we can find some fish and we'll show you guys, take you along with us. Alright, we'll see you out there. Take care. Yeah. Oh, looks like a lot of lettuce. Here. Okay.
Can you turn it off? How was it?
That's good. Got like honey with it.
What kind did you get? Sorry.
From there. Alright, we're back at Waikīkī Walls. This time we both got our boogie boards, so we're about to go out. Let's go. Oh, Ray's about to jump. He's up top. Another beautiful day at Waikīkī Beach. Back home now. Caught a couple waves, got a little wild. Got a little too wild, so winded up. We're getting ready to go to Ala Moana Mall. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot too much there, but if I do, you'll see the clips.
Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, move silently.